If I do the work, the results will come. If I do the work, the results will come. If I do the work, the results will come.
If I work smarter, the results will come. If I work harder, the results will come. If I stick at it, the results will come. The results will come.
If I refuse to quit, the results will come. If I never give up, the results will come. If I am committed to find a way, the results will come.
If I learn more and apply that learning, the results will come.
If I believe, the results will come. Believe in me. Believe in my work ethic. Believe in the process.